everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to do a quick sewing project for my garden. This is landscape fabric. It is, let's see, 3 foot by 45 foot. Big old tube of it. Dollar General's finest. I got this on clearance when it was like 90% off. I usually buy it at the end of the season. But I am going to make me some landscape bags out of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece of the landscape fabric 26 inches, and then I'm going to fold it over and sew along all sides. So let me go ahead, measure off 26 inches and then fold it over, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, here's my 26-inch piece of fabric, and it's about 3 feet long. So it's 26 by 36. So now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew all the way around on all sides. Even this side right here, sewing about a 1/4 inch seam down that side, and then all the way around these sides here I did about a 1/2 inch seam. You can always trim it down if you want, but me, I don't. I'm gonna leave that for extra support. So all the way around all 4 sides of your piece. Okay, all 4 sides have been sewn, so now you fold it. Okay, y'all, I just finished sewing all the way around. Since I want a nice polished edge right here, what I'm going to do is I am going to sew this raw edge over here, and then the bottom raw edge, and then I'm gonna go up the side here. So you see how you folded it in half, turn it sideways so it's longer, and then the shorter is on the side here. I'm gonna sew along the side and the bottom, and then up the other side for just to add a little bit of extra strength to it with the thread along the side here. So let me go back to the machine and sew up my 3 sides. Okay, so you see how this has a nice finished edge along the top, and then the 3 sides were sewn. So here it is. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it down flat. Lay it down flat here, and I am going to mark off 6 inches in each corner. So this right here, see my 2 little corners there. So now what I'm going to do is get in here like so. Make the little triangle, and I'm gonna sew all the way across. Now you see how this sewn all the way across. Now what I'm going to do is fold this till the tip touches the sewn line, and then I'm going to sew back and forth across right here. Okay, and here it is right here, and next I'm going to flip it inside out. And here is a grow bag. So this one here is about 9 by about 9 inches tall, 11 inches long. So 9 by 11. So here is another one. I had made this one. This one is a taller one that I made when instead of me turning it sideways to have the smooth edge, I used the raw edge to be taller. So, y'all, here's the grow bags. These will be going in my garden. Also, if you wanted to have a bigger grow bag, just different measurements. But this right here, this will be plenty for my little pepper plants that I'm going to be putting in here. So I'm going to add some pepper plants to this one here. And on this one right here, I'm going to more than likely put one of my blueberry bushes. But that's all I got for you. If you have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.